What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. So guys, you see the unboxing knife, so you know what time it is. Today's unboxing comes from Flub RC, formerly Flubber Stuffers. Flub RC. I'll put a link below in the description also of the product that I'm unboxing. All right, guys, I'm not gonna hold you but a few minutes. We're gonna jump right into this unboxing and let you guys see what I have. Today, I'll be unboxing this with my handy dandy tool, or knife, I guess I should say. Make sure you go down below if you guys want an unboxing tool, and I'll put a link down below where you can check out some cool knives. So first off, we have the sticker sheet. Really cool. Next up, if you've ever gotten anything from Chris and you don't get these, it's probably not from Chris. These are root beer candies, really good. These parts are for my Traxxas TRX4M. I'm gonna go over what each one of these parts are. And this part set is called the TRX4M parts combo, which consists of low center of gravity shock towers, slick sliders, and tray. Now I have one more part, and I forgot what he told me this is for, but when I do the install, you guys will find out then. Quite a few things I want to do with this thing. I'm not really sure exactly what, but I'll be giving you guys an update pretty soon. Well, shout out to Chris once again over at Flub RC. Guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware when we have these new videos coming, guys. Got a bunch of them coming, so make sure you stay tuned. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.